write method, WRITE. Okay, now observe the carefully what I'm going to write here. For example, I'm going to write in a file. That means I have some content, and that content I'm going to write in a file. Now observe carefully. For example, I just change the name abc1 1.txt. I change the name of a file, and there is a no file exist with the name abc1. So the question is, first question is, Python again give me error, or the file would be created? So this is the first question. Okay, guys. So I will erase all the other code. Okay. So just observe the code. Very simple code. Now I run the program. Okay. But Python does not give me error. This is the point. That means, and there is a no file abc1.txt. So why Python does not give me error? Because write mode will create one file. So how we know that this file is created or not? So let's check the location of a file. Look, this is a file abc1. Okay, it is a blank because we did not write anything in a file. But the point is, this file is created, which is more concern for us. So what the overall scenario? Read mode does not create a file, it give you error, but W mode create a file, it does not give error. I hope you guys catch the point. Okay, now moving further. So here we are going to write some content in a file. Okay, so there is a one method called write. So fp dot write is the name of a method. Then whatever we are going, the content we are going to write, uh, we will enter it here. For example, mm, I will write hello students. This is the content I write in a file. So we will check whether this message will be written in this file or not. So I will save it. अभी abc2 कर देता हूँ मैं इसे. Just run the program. अब यहाँ तो कुछ आउटपुट आया नहीं क्योंकि हमने तो फाइल के ऊपर लिखा हुआ है. So we will move to the location and check there is a one file abc2. देखो ये अभी there is a message called hello student in a file.